Hello learners, you are watching. Today, I'm going to tell you something that is very interesting and very important for each and every learner in this world. In this pandemic situation, we all are learning everything online, but whereas we come to the practical form, we become very nil. We don't have any option for it. But today I'm here with an option that will help you all to learn in your own practical lab. Now just type O Labs. The spelling is OLABS and just search it in Google. You will find it on top www.olabs.edu.in. Click on that. You will be moved on to OLabs site. You can see over here, this is a government site. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has given us this opportunity to learn from OLabs. It is very important for all the teachers and also for the students to learn the theoretical things in a practical manner. Now learners, you might be curious about what is OLabs basically. For that, you can just click on this bulletin button. About FAQ is basically frequently asked questions. Here you can see many questions are being asked, and for that OLab is giving you a detailed answer. OLabs basically is a lab where you can see the experiments, whether it is from physics, whether it is from chemistry, whether it is from bio. And it is not only restricted to class 9 to 12 students. I prefer that at least from class 5th to class 12th students can use this OLab website. It is very worth for all the students and also for the teachers who are teaching from class 5th to 12. OLabs basically provides us 3 types of registration. It can be in a bulk form, that is, a school can register all their students together. Second, only the science or the subject teachers can register, or individually a student or a candidate who is a learner can also register. And now how we can register? Just click on the registration page. Here you have to just enter all your details, your profile they will be asking. This is the way how you have to register yourself in the olabs.education.in. Now we will move on to the subjects that OLab is providing us, that are physics, chemistry, biology, maths and English. These are the subjects that OLab is giving us. If we click on the physics part, we can see different topics on experiments are being given over here, and it has been specified through class. Like in class 11, screw gauge is there, beam balance, friction, different type of things are there. That depends upon your choice which you want to go for the practical. If we go back and we will click on the chemistry part, we can see the determination of EMF of a cell, that is dealt in class 12th. The same manner as we have seen in physics, chemistry is also providing us different practicals. Biology, class 12th. As soon as you select any of the topics, like I have selected over here the study of physical properties of soil, just click on that. You will be directly moved into the theory of the topic. Now you can see over here 3 bulletins. Click on that. You will get more options that we basically do it in our physics lab, that is procedure. It can also makes us more smooth through animation, stimulator, video, Viva Voice, resources that are needed over here in this practical, and the last and the foremost is the feedback. You can just see it over here, how beautifully it has been presented to us. And just click on the video. You can see the practical form of doing the physical properties of soil. Click on that. It will make you more clear with the topic, how you have to practically do it in your classroom. As we have seen it in a video form, how and what are the properties of soil, in that same manner when we do it in our practical lab, that is being shown through animation. It becomes more clear. You feel like you are in your own bio lab. If we click it on resource, we can see from where all we can take references for the properties of soil. The book references are there, and most important, the websites also they have provided us. It becomes more easy for us to learn things, or if you want to scrutinize your practical things, you can go and refer these sites. As soon as if you will click on any of these websites, you will be directed to that website. And if we want to click on procedure, we can see the steps. That is, first and foremost, as we write in our practical files, the first we write the material required, next is the procedure. Yes, this is observation. You can see this is the way we write in our practical files. That same thing is being shown over here. I hope this might be clear to you all. Here the last one is the feedback. After learning everything from this, what feedback you are giving it to the website, you can just mention it over here. It will be a help to upgrade this website, and it might be also helpful for you all as learners. Like we have seen in bio, in that same manner we can see it in physics, chemistry and maths, and there is a bifurcation there also for different classes, that is class 12, class 11, class 10th, etc. But with these practical subjects, they have provided us one language class also, that is English. If you click on English, you can see the grammar part, preposition, active and passive voice, tense, comprehension, direct and indirect speech, subject-verb agreement, like most of the topics that grammar needs for all the higher class students. In English, just let us see what preposition tells us through OLAPS. Yes, here we can see the definition, how it is being classified, that also we can see. Yes, it is very beautiful. We can see it through the picture. This is what OLAP basically is. Through practical knowledge, we are learning a topic. And if we click on this bulletin button, we can see common mistakes we as learners make. With the picture, you can see how beautifully. Where are you? I am in the bus. Do you mean on the bus? Yes, I am on the bus. you can understand the mistake that we are making over here. Next is the procedure of learning preposition of location. Over here, the theory part is there. Read the question. See, different options are given to you. Next is lab. Through lab, we will learn what is preposition. Viva voice is after learning what is preposition, you will get few questions over here. Click on the options and you can see the answers at the last. References, you can, if you want to go for a detailed study, you can see the books that they have given you over here as reference, or you can see the websites. You can click on the websites and you can directly be moved on to that particular website that is given over here. Now learners, I hope that you all have understood how important this OLab is for the teachers, for a particular learner, or we can take it just as a student. It is very important in this pandemic situation when we all are mentally quarantined at our home. We are getting an opportunity from the government to learn from this OLab how practical things can be done at our home itself through online. I hope that this video has given you an ample opportunity to learn more things while sitting at home. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.